How do I know what fittings are on my CO2 jet? Or how do I know what fittings are on my CO2 cannon? Well, this is a really ambiguous question and can have multiple answers because it depends on what fitting is on there. Now, we do offer the ability to determine this yourself. And the reason why is, yes, we've seen a lot of fittings come through. We know what fittings we use on what products, but all manufacturers aren't the same. Some manufacturers will manufacture things slightly different. Some quick disconnect fittings don't fit with their same counterpart from a different manufacturer because they're literally millimeters off. And so with that said, we need to know certain things, and that is what your equipment is, what you're using it, pictures of the equipment, measurements of all the fittings. Also, if there's any markings on the fittings, what those markings are, especially the quick disconnects. We have the ability for you to find this out if you go to cryofx.com/fittings, okay? Or on our hose builder page, we have images of the fittings. We also have images of the fittings on our fitting builder or our fitting adapter builder. We have those there as well. And I believe we also have it on our, the product knowledge page. Sorry, just lots of things going on in my head. Product knowledge page, we have those there as well. So 4 different places that you can get these. It shows you exactly what to do. One of the pictures has a measurement that shows you measure across the fitting. Actually, I have fitting right here. Whoop. Good catch. So we have this fitting. Now this fitting actually is a SAE fitting, okay, which is a different type of SAE fitting, but that we need to know what type. So if you're taking a picture, we need to see a picture from this side. We need to see the measurement across here. We need to see the measurement across here. We need to know everything. And sometimes we will get back to you and say, hey, that's an unknown fitting. We would just recommend changing the whole thing. We can send you the fittings to do it yourself, or we can do it. So there's a lot of options here. But to access this 24/7, we have the resources online. And if you still want help, we're gonna need to know how to do that. We have another video that specifically shows how to measure your fittings and send that into us so that we know. Link in the description or on our channel here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.